So please do the honor, please, together with the Kalinga Boys.
Good luck bro, good luck! Good luck sa mga pogi! Good luck sa mga pogi! Bro, chini-cheer ka ni Elio.
Asa? Nakatulong!
Nandyan! Nandyan!
Mamaya pa ata bro!
Ha?
Mamaya pa bro!
Mamaya pa, alas 5 daw. Ay, yan na si Agong. Yan na po si Jones.
Exactly what it is. I saw you grown up here in ALM. And with that, CJ, and also with Paul.
Ako, nag-usap-usap na sila. Nagpa-blocking. Sila po sila Joy, sila Marian, sila Bridget, si ayan na, salang na sila guys. Nasalang na po. Mga boys, ang mga boys.
Yeah, so this is CJ. Actually, 70 people here, alam na nila kung sino yung susunod na labas kasi nakita nila yung papasok. Pero sa akin hindi pa. Just to give you an idea, this next set of people are known for their social services and the charity work. And who already have almost
Sure po, nagpo-project na.
followers in all social media platforms. Pero sila
Si Joby oh.
not use. Yes, so this is CJ. And that is
Pak na pak.
Being Kalinga. You're both
Si Angelico. Pak.
Yes, before natin ang ating susunod na mag-rapa ng kanilang production. Yes, so CJ.
Ito po ay summer attire po. Summer attire.
Paano ba guys? Sige, go ahead.
Marinig ka ba ng suporta ng Team Kalinga?
Pero isa dito sa CJ, what makes it even more special, kasi hindi natin kalingap para basta, kasi they will showcase and know that in our producers style. Yes, alam mo, pag ako ay gumagamit din o tagapagtangkilik ng kanilang mga produkto. Mula sa sabon, mula sa mga lahat yun. Speaking of sabon, Kuya CJ, we are known and specialized to beauty jewelry, accessories, smartwatches, and even beauty products. So kaya nabanggit ko kanina. And that is the Velvet Bags Fashion Jewelry. And with that, mga kaibigan, partners, please welcome the Team Kalinga featuring Velvet Bags!
Okay, may gusto ba tayong batiin ng mga supporters?
Nabati ko pa yung mga fans ng Kalinga po dyan. Alam mo.
Asa yung fans ng Kalingap dyan? There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting Team Kalinga featuring the Velvet Bags Jewelries.
Indeed, a very beautiful performance. Ang daming beautiful ladies and beautiful, handsome guys here at Camarines Norte.
It's not just the Kalinga, it's just the fashion jewelry na talagang binigyan nila ng magandang wrap. It's also the faces of the Kalinga. Talaga namang it's giving.
You know, SM City Diet, Camarines Norte, without further ado, we would like to present the bouquet and token appreciation headed by our CEO, Sir Alvin Lester Magana. Because a round of applause, please.
And of course, in behalf of ALM Events and Talents Management, Team Kalinga, we would like also to invite Sir June and Ma'am.
And also,
Yan po ang Franjoy.
Ma'am Jack, and as well as the CEO of Velvet Bags. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin once again, Team Kalinga featuring Velvet Bags. But before that, let's have the photo opportunity. So please, do the honor, please, together with the Kalinga Boys and the Angels, together with the Velvet Bags Incorporation. People, you know, radiate here in Camarines Norte. So maraming salamat po. Thank you, Team Kalinga.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi na natin patatagalin pa. I know all of the eras ay naghihintay na to witness their idols.
And ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed to the introduction of our next performance, we'd like to add, sino ba itong ipapresent natin ngayong hapon?
So ito na ang represent natin ng hapon. Sino yung narinig kong rising stars daw dito sa Camarines Norte? Rising P-pop stars.
Rising P-pop star, and with the ladies and gentlemen, SM City Diet presenting
Okay na?
Siglo!
Ay bro, tapos na.
Ha?
Tapos na.
Tapos na. Kakain na naman. Madami na makakain.
Kakain na naman tayo.
Ha?
Kakain na naman. Wala si Carla pala, no?
Wala.
Okay lang yun, okay lang yun.
Wala rin nga yung EDSA eh.
Oo, wala ka man si...
Sayang.
Dati sa Jomcar, nandyan ka.
Pero,
Diba?
representative.
May representative. Ayan. Chris Brown, no?
Chris Brown niya eh.
Ay! Nagsasapaw ka kay... sapaw kay Chris Brown. Yan. Tapos na po ang fashion show. Magsisiuwi na po kami. Thank you so much po sa inyong panonood. God bless po. And Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.